What's up, guys? Hope you're doing well. I'm back with another video. So, long time no see. Actually, I was busy for my personal work, so that's why I couldn't be able to make any video for you guys. So, I just came today to meet you with the next UI, the next UI component library, or you can also say like it also uses Tailwind CSS. It's really a good component. You guys can see it. All those things are component, right? You guys can see if I remove this, it will look like this. And see, the animation is really good in Next UI, and the loading state also. Here you guys can see the tooltip and etc. Okay, so they have theming like Next UI, modern, elegant, retro, etc. Okay, also you guys can see they have the accessibility out of the box, right? This way. Okay, so also dark mode is more efficient right now, and it's really a good design. I would say, like you can also make custom button as well. Like if I press here, it will pop up like this way. Isn't it amazing? Okay, so yeah, this is the main things what I wanna talk about. So if I go to get started, here their documentation. We have their documentation. So the installation is easy. We can also use React Next.js. Okay, it's supported near React Next.js, Remix, and Astro. Okay, so you can also theming in your own way like this. And also let me show you something why it's really good. Like if I go to button, and here if I click here, you can see the effect, right? So it's really easy to use. Like you need to just import the button, and that's it. If I go to the code over here, and here you can see like button, then color will be primary. Then if you set your primary color on Tailwind CSS config file, then that primary color also be applicable in here. Okay, so it has also sizes: small, medium, large, radius, colors, variant. It has really good variant: solid, faded, bordered, light. Okay, also it has a loading state. If you want to do loading, you can get out of the box loading. It's really good, right? The loading state also good. And you can also add icon like this way, on only icon, and also you can add custom style like this way. Okay, so I just give you the example for this website, and it's really good. You guys can also use this as your daily needs. And also light mode is also really good idea. Okay, so you can theme it like your own way, whatever you want. And it also have checkbox. If I go to checkbox, uh, you can see the checkbox is really good. Like see the animations, its micro interaction is really good. Okay, so you can see you can also use custom checkbox like this way. See, so although I really love this design, so I will design within this next UI with Next.js latest app router version. The video will come pretty soon. Okay, so stay tuned and subscribe for more. Okay, so thanks for watching today's video. I'll catch you in the next one.